Preposition of place. Preposition tells us where something is, like on the table, under the table. Let's learn. The rabbit is beside the ball. Beside. Beside. The dog is in the doghouse. So the dog is inside the doghouse. Inside. The rabbit is in front of the fence. So where is the rabbit? It is in front. Okay? It's in front. The dog is behind the tree. So where is the dog? It is behind the tree. The mouse is between the house and the tree. So where is the mouse? It's in between. The dog is on the doghouse. So where is the dog? It's on the doghouse. The bird is under the tree. So where is the bird? Bird is under. Under. The books are on the table. So where are the books? They are on the table. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. Thank you.